Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making this.
That cheese. First thing we're going to do is make our sauce. Alright, got some lettuce right here. We're going to go ahead and chop that up. Alright, real nice, and so get rid of that. I don't want that. Throw that in our bowl. We're going to add us an onion in there. Then we're going to slice our tomatoes. I'm going to add in, I do got cut, got some banana peppers. Those. Just slice. We'll see it to be okay, y'all. Alright, so I'm pretty much whispering. I don't want to whisper, but I don't want to wake my baby up. I think what's worse than not having good sound is having low sound. Juice right up in there. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit mayo. Okay. Then I'm also going to add in a little bit of Italian dressing. A little bit. Mix it all together. Real nice. Okay, that's good right there. That looks good. It smells good too. A little bit of oregano. A bit of crushed red pepper. And some onion powder. Then I'm gonna hit it off with a little bit of my favorite. I love this seasoning. This garlic powder. This garlic pepper. Also hit it a little bit. And mix that up again. Real nice. Okay, it smells really good. We're gonna go with our bread. You can probably use any type of bread you want to. I think that sub bread hit hard. I think this should be good right here. Yeah. Just gonna cut through the middle. Yeah. Okay, like so. Alright. Hit it off with a little mayonnaise. Both sides. All right, then we're gonna put it on our grill. I'll say about 5 minutes. Now we can go over our meats. We're gonna be using turkey. I don't think it matters about turkey, if it's oven roast turkey. Talk to y'all about the meats. We're gonna be using turkey. Now I think the original sandwiches, they had some pepperoni and they had some, what are the others? Salami. Nobody here to eat that. But we're gonna do a turkey and we're gonna do some ham. Big sandwich. Okay. What y'all say? Add some more turkey on there? I can do that. Alright, wait for our bread to come off. Put our meat right there. Okay, we're gonna lightly season our tomato, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, a little bit of oregano. Alright, so that's already seasoned. Boom. Take this off, get ready for our bread. Okay, while our bread is waiting, we're gonna go ahead and open up our cheese. Today we're gonna be using provolone. Break down, I think I need about 2-3 pieces of those. Now, add a little another one. All right, y'all, the bread is ready to get in. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and put that cheese right on right there. Real nice. Like I said, I think maybe you're supposed to wait and put it on top. I put some on top too and save it right there. We're gonna get our meat, go ahead and load that up. There is no particular order, I promise you. But you want that thing to be thick, okay? And then don't forget, because I always forget that you do gotta close it up, okay? Try to load my stuff on there. Alright, there we go. Real nice. Alright, then we're gonna go ahead and put our dressing on there. There we go. The dressing on there. So that thing smells good. Alright, we're gonna put some more cheese on there. And then we're gonna put our tomatoes. Wow, that thing is huge. Alright, we're gonna try, okay, there you go. That's easy right there. There it is, y'all. Alright, so that's it right there. We're gonna go ahead and cut that bad boy. Shoot, there it is. Whoop, there it is. That thing didn't take long. Now we gotta bite it, make sure it's good. Alright, we're gonna put it on this plate. Gonna put a couple of pickles on it. Oh no, this thing will be big enough. And then I'm gonna add Zakia's favorite chips. All right, there it is, folks. Easy as pie, or easy as a sandwich. That's the grinder. All right, y'all, so you just saw what I made for Zakia. This is for her lunch right there. That's the big boy. What I did, I made something for me. Made me a little small little one. I get ready to go. Look at that, same texture, same juiciness. All right. How's that crunch? All those seasonings coming together, hitting really good. The banana peppers hit. I'm glad I really got those. Even our chips. That thing bomb, y'all. I recommend y'all trying this. This is an upgrade from the regular little sandwich you're probably used to making. Hold on. You see, I ate the other half. So let me record if I forget. They're really good. This is really good. It's the grinder. Grinder Junior. Uh-oh. Whew. You want to on camera? Yeah. Oh, that thing big. So I made a small one for myself.
Oh. Ooh. Which one? That's a lot.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. This is beautiful.
Can you hold it up to the camera, baby? Yeah. Turn that thing to the side, Shama.
Mmm. 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 Mmm.
Hey, when I was trying to talk, I couldn't talk because I couldn't do anything.
Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
I think you like.
I can't even describe the way I feel right now.
I need you to try it.
It's like happiness in a bun. I don't know. It's delicious. Oh my God. Everything is just melting and meshing.
You got any more things you want me to cook that let me know? I never heard no grinder before. But I'm so glad you brought that to my attention.
Oh my gosh. You mean you had the nerve to make 2 of them?
I didn't want to make it too small.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I didn't get that. Do that again. What is the? Oh, go ahead. I'm sorry. What did you think I put in there? I didn't do the original recipe. I mean, I did my little thing. But can you take what's in there?
Some ranch. Well,
No, I didn't use ranch. I was gonna use
mayo
ranch.
and Italian.
Yeah, I was gonna use ranch. I didn't want the taste to be too overbearing, so
This is everything a nigga needed.
hey, that's what y'all want to hear. Hey, come on over here, baby. That's what you want, because you were like that dude on yesterday when he had the stuff on. Hey, that's how you know we're good. You know what I'm saying?
Oh my gosh. That's gotta be like once every couple weeks.
Yeah. Whatever you need, sweetheart. And it was real easy to make. I'm sure she won't mind.
Oh no, not at all.
Sharing, right?
Oh, that was great. That is beautiful. Kobe. Shit, you was Chef Curry with the pot, boy.
So what I wanted all the time, you know, after being in the video, I do the cooking, do the tasting, because they need to describe it. So that should be the point. Like, ooh, talk to me. Talk to me. Enjoy making it. I'm trying to hurry up because the time was limited, but once you get everything going, it's really.
Oh my gosh. I'm pretty sure I done gained my little 2 pounds back.
You asked for this.
I was down to, I lost a little 2 pounds. I was down in the 199. I was like, oh, I'm pretty sure it's back. It's not your fault. Oh my gosh. That made me so happy. Oh, that made me smile. That was good. That was good.
What did you like?
Like, knocked it out of the park.
That's what I do.
Definitely delicious.